Welcome. If you're concerned about your privacy on LinkedIn and want to prevent others from downloading your email address, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable the option for your connections to export your email address, using the latest LinkedIn update on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on LinkedIn, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or the Me icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage all your privacy preferences. On the left-hand side, you'll see several categories. Click on Visibility. This section controls who can see your information and how it's shared. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Who can see or download your email address. Click on it to open more detailed settings. Here, you'll see a toggle called Allow Connections to Export Emails. By default, this might be turned on, which means your email address could be included when your connections export their LinkedIn data. To stop this, simply switch off the toggle. Once it's disabled, your email address will no longer be available for your connections to download or export from LinkedIn. That's it. You've just taken a big step in protecting your privacy on LinkedIn. Remember, keeping your personal information secure is important, and LinkedIn's settings make it easy to control who can access your details. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends or colleagues who might also want to boost their LinkedIn privacy. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.